Hello humans. So if you're 6 years old, continue to watch this video. If you are 6 years old and above 6 years, then do watch this video. But if you're not a 6 years old, but even if then you're a kid at heart, this video is definitely for you. So we are pirates. Even though we are not traveling right now, we know how to make something out of nothing. And today we have with us our pirate kid Anaisha. So Anaisha is gonna teach us how to make a wind chime out of nothing while staying at home during coronavirus lockdown. Let's watch what a junior pirate has to show us.
Hello everyone, my name is Anaisha and today we're gonna make a DIY wind chime. Are you ready? And here are the things that we need. We need colorful paper, wool, and pencil, and scissors, and a glue stick. So, are you ready? So the first step is, you take a piece of paper, you fold it. We have to draw a heart because we're making a butterfly shape. We're going to cut in a butterfly shape. Now, open it. Wow, now it's done. See, guys, these are my rainbow butterflies, and I like colorful things. So I'm holding one in my hand. I love to hold butterflies, and I love to catch them in my net. Next step is you get a plain piece of paper, a white piece of paper, and then you fold it. Fold it. And then you open it and then you make a cloud on it. And it looks like this. Now it's time to cut it. Now it's glue time, my favorite part. Okay, so first we have 6 threads. I'm going to get one. And so I'm going to put it gently like there. Then we need to paste some glue here first. So now we're going to get the glue and then paste it here. And now we're going to get this butterfly, paste it on top of here. Keep doing this and put all the butterflies on the threads. Our beautiful butterflies are ready. I love it. Doesn't it look so good, guys? We're gonna take a paper and now we're gonna put some glue on here. Let me open it first, like we usually do. Then put some glue on here. So now we're gonna get the thread and put it glue and put it on top of the thread. Another piece of paper on it. Now we will put the holes through the pencil. I hanged up all my butterflies, and now it's coloring time. Now I'm done with the coloring part, and now I'm going to do the same thing as you do on the front and the back. You just have to turn it, nothing hard. Like this, right? Like this. Like this, okay? To do the same thing on the back. Like this, and I'm gonna make one more craft like this, and it's not gonna look like this. It's gonna be a different one. And did you enjoy it? Please Subscribe, like, and share. Bye. Butterfly. I love butterfly. And then
That was amazing. Fantabulous job, Anasha, our junior pirate. So, if you have kids at home, or like I said, if you are a kid watching this video, go and make a wind chime at home. During this coronavirus lockdown, you can tell us and show it to us how to make creative things from nothing. This is what pirates do. So, till next time, have fun. For me, I'm gonna take this wind chime and put it in my balcony right now. So, click like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, family, and other kids if you like the wind chime. Till then, have fun.